Hey ladies, it's Erica. I wanted to show you today how to create one of these pretty new photo galleries that we're going to be using for within posts. So if you have a lot of pictures for your post, or maybe you have a post that's featuring several different things, like Scotty's Volkswagen post, where she was featuring 5 different cars, this is how you create a gallery. And so I'm going to just go ahead and make one here in a test post, okay? Click anywhere within your post and click Add Media, just like you're adding a picture. Now, on the left-hand side, instead of Insert Media, which is the default, you want to click Create Gallery. Okay, now if you're inside of a post that already exists, let's say you're going back and you want to create a gallery in an old post, you can use this drop down and put images uploaded to this post. Now there's nothing because I'm doing a brand new post, but it knows enough to know, okay, so this is, the post about the Ford Taurus, and they've already uploaded 10 images. It makes it really easy to find them, especially in an old post. So since there's no photos yet, I'm going to go Upload Files and select files from my computer. Okay, I have some images here from a review I did on my site. All right, and I'm going to just select a bunch of images and upload them. Okay, now you can select or unselect images here. Like, let's say I don't want to use them all. These two are kind of similar. Maybe I don't need both of them. So I could uncheck one and say I want to leave that one out. And down here it will show you which images are selected. Okay, you've got 6 selected out of the 7 pictures. You don't have to do anything over here. If you want to, you can title your photos. That's better for SEO if the photo has a title. But it will not show up on the front end. We'll use captions for that. But in order to do that, you would select which picture you want to change, to change your title on. Okay, so these are all selected with the check marks. We're going to hit Create New Gallery. And this is where we caption the images. So we could say water bottle, and we could say great seal on the lid. And maybe retap logo etched on the glass. Oops. And maybe we'll put retap bottle review. Okay. A collage of our favorite retap photos. Okay. And then this would be retap bottle sleeves. Okay, and then if you want to rearrange your images, you can move them around. Just drag and drop. Okay, and sometimes it's hard to get one at the beginning. Sometimes you just gotta move one the other direction. There we go. And I want to put this one. Come on. They don't always like to move, but that's how you do it. You saw me move that one. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to come over here, and there's a whole bunch of options. We are not going to use them all, okay? So leave the top part the same, okay? I changed the auto advance to no. I don't like it to start playing. I want to navigate through the images myself, okay? So auto advance to no. Effects, we want simple fade. That's it. Okay, and take off the random, or else it will do all of these things and it will be kind of messy. So simple fade is what we're using. And turn off random. Okay, I am leaving all of this stuff. Height 50%. Good, good. Okay, this minimum height, I changed that to 400. It just looks better. All right, so right there. And then we'll leave the navigation on. Okay, and then we have a captions background color. Right now it's black. We're probably going to change that to a charcoal gray. So this is where you'll change, and we'll tell you what color that's going to be after we talk to the designer. Right now, those are black, okay? And I always change the caption size to 14. There we go. Everything else stays the same. So, oh, Let me put charcoal here. Okay, so let's go over again what we're going to do. We're going to say no on the auto advance for both of those. We're going to collect simple fade for the effects in both these places, okay, because one is for on desktop and one is for mobile. Right, we want it the same on both. And then we're going to come down here and do minimum height 400. And the next thing we're going to do is change the color or the caption size to 14, and then the caption's color can be whatever we tell you to do. Right now it's black. And the slider style, I click charcoal. The other thing that you can do to make it look better is to go ahead and click Open Sans for your font type, because that is what we use on the website, and it just looks better if it's the same font as the rest of the site. So here we go, Open Sans. All right, so we're going to insert the gallery. Okay, it looks like this in your post, but it won't look like that on the front end. If you need to come back and edit it, you can click on it and then click on the pencil. But for now, let's see how it looks. We're going to preview the post. Okay, and here is our little thing. And for some reason, oh, I know what's going on. I didn't tell it to show the thumbnails. So let's go back and do that. Okay, there's a spot in here. Navigation on hover. No, that's not it. Thumbnails, yes. And I think we want no, that, no, and that. Pagination, no, that's right. Okay, leave these fine. These are okay. Pagination needs to be no, because that's those little dots that we saw. And if those dots are showing up, the thumbnails will not show up. So pagination, no. Thumbnails, yes. Okay, update the gallery. Save the post. Okay, and now we have it here with the thumbnails, so you can kind of go through the pictures. Okay. And see what you put in the captions area is now showing up in this little thing that slides through. Okay. All right, I'm going to make y'all a document with how to do this, and this is your video.